Fox 4 is now learning the legal issues with the Margaritaville resort plans on Fort Myers Beach are over. A judge is ruling in favor of the resort and town in a lawsuit that held up the project for months. Fox 4's Jillian Hartman spoke with the town mayor and businesses in the area about the project that's finally moving forward.
Well, the development of the Margaritaville resort just got the green light to move forward, and now that those lawsuits are in the rearview mirror, businesses and people living in this area are excited for the project to get underway.
I mean, Jimmy Buffett. I think the brand is going to bring people down here. I think it's going to be very good for the beach.
And a lot of surrounding businesses agree. The Margaritaville resort will bring more tourists and money.
And that's going to help everyone in this area because they're just not going to go to Margaritaville. They're going to test the waters in other areas.
For more than a year, 2 lawsuits held up construction on this project. They were filed by Chris Patton. The first one was a civil action lawsuit, which Patton withdrew. The second one, a judge ruled in favor of the resort in the town of Fort Myers Beach. So now plans can move forward.
And the town's position is simply to continue to support a project that the council approved and that the community, I think by and large, is anxiously awaiting.
Here are images of what it will look like. The 7 acres resort will span on both sides of Estero Boulevard near Crescent Street between the pier and Lani Kai, an area the town mayor says needed some sprucing up since Hurricane Charlie 15 years ago.
Lots of buildings needed rehabbing. I mean, it's just not been useful. Bit by bit, things getting torn down. And so the fact that our downtown is going to have this major rehab is exciting for our visitors, for our residents.
Developers plan to break ground on the resort early next year. It's expected to take about a year and a half to complete the project. Right now, the resort is working with a contractor to ensure minimal impact for drivers and locals when construction begins. The town mayor tells me Chris Patton has 30 days to decide if he wants to appeal the case. If he does, it goes into another judicial process, and it's unclear how long that would take. In Fort Myers Beach, I'm Jillian Hartman, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, thank you, Jillian.